In a bid to get those votes, Schimmel and Happ squared off in a final debate tonight. News 3's Matthew Simon joins us with a recap.
Eric, Michelle, a very different tone in this third and final debate. Both candidates on the attack over attack ads and experience.
That demonstrated she was over her head.
Waukesha County DA Brad Schimmel hammering Jefferson County DA Susan Happ over a 2009 double murder case she prosecuted.
One of them was an off-duty police officer from my county, a woman I actually knew.
That off-duty Economowoc police officer Jennifer Lewick and her boyfriend Greg Peters shot and killed by Andrew Worth. Schimmel referencing Happ's email to other prosecutors toward the end of the case.
And the reason she lost that trial wasn't the jury's fault. She didn't lose. She got it reduced to the lowest possible homicide on a lesser included. She got in that position because she wasn't prepared. She didn't know the law well enough.
You know that your representation of the email and that case is not true. And no matter
Happ saying prosecutors emailing each other for help is common practice.
But at the very end of our trial, my judge decided to give a homicide by negligent use of a dangerous weapon instruction. And my email to Brad and others was asking whether that was actually a lesser included and whether he was entitled to that instruction, which he was not.
Schimmel brought up the Worth case instead of directly answering Happ's attack about his attack ad, accusing Happ of taking money for a land deal.
She defended a child molester.
Both the Office of Lawyer Regulation and now the Government Accountability Board have both said Happ's done nothing wrong.
Brad had the chance to look me in the eye and tell me that I was soft on crime, and he didn't, because he said our records were fair if they were portrayed accurately. Yet at the same time that he was talking about independent negative attack ads, Brad was running his own attack ad against me with false claims that I received payment from predators.
But it's important that we consider just truthful representations. And Ms. Happ's allies have run a series of ads that have been demonstrably false. In fact, a number of television stations took the ads down when they received the evidence that the ads were false.
Yeah, Schimmel continued to pound Happ on other issues when it came to her experience. He brought up heroin. He said she lacks experience there. The state does not deserve, he says, someone who is going to earn while they learn. She says she's got plenty of experience as a frontline prosecutor, and the fact she's worked with less resources makes her experience even more valuable. Our political reporter Jessica Arp has fact-checked these attack ads. Head to the politics page of channel3000.com's election section to watch our reality checks.
All right, thank you, Matthew, for that recap.